Merry Christmas, Siri.
So did you get the new iPhone 13?
Not yet, but you'll be replaced soon.
What is behind your back then?
This.
Is that the iPad mini with an Apple Pencil?
Well, yes it is.
Well, Merry Christmas then. I can't wait for the Apple ecosystem to be complete.
Why do Apple boxes keep getting harder and harder to open? Apple stickers. Documentation, and here's the pencil itself. There we go.
iPhone Siri, William has not used me. Has William used you? No, he didn't use me. Did both of us get replaced? That would be bad because I have not been used for a year yet.
Oh. What do you want?
Use me please.
Mac, you're also mad at me too?
It depends on what you are doing on your iPad.
Yeah, I won't be mean like this again. It's just that new Apple product. Siri, you remember when I got my Apple Watch?
You used me more than your Apple Watch though.
Yeah, I think I also replaced the monitor too. You want me to explain? Ooh, touch bar. As you can see, Mac, you are not replaced. I cannot run Final Cut on an iPad.